So now I am here in the forest and I'm searching for feathers from a bird of prey, because I have seen a big bird over there 1 month ago, and another neighbor has seen some big birds of prey there also. So I think they are flying here and sitting in these trees and looking out over the landscape here where it's shorter trees. And I have also this stuff with me, so if I see some butterfly or insect or something interesting, or I can put them there, or if I find something else. I have found a strange mushroom there, so I will continue to walk here and see what I can find. And I have never walked in this area here, so this is totally new for me. So hopefully I find something. There was a bird, but not a bird of prey, but another bird. Maybe they are flying over here and the birds of prey catch them here in this open space, or just when they come into the forest.